Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I've got an Invicta watch that we're going to open up and take a look at. And you guys know I love these Invicta watches. But this one's a little bit different than a lot of the other Invicta watches that I have reviewed on this channel. But before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of my current subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all of your interaction with the channel, all of your liking and subscribing and commenting in the comment section below. All of your interaction really does help out this channel, and I couldn't appreciate it more. So thank you guys all so much for everything you do. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick them up and wear them for yourselves. So without further ado, let's get into this box and take a good look at this new Invicta watch that I just purchased. And just received it from Amazon Prime. So what we have here is an Invicta 3044 Pro Diver. This is a beautiful looking watch by Invicta, and it abandons a lot of their style as far as their gigantic faces. This is actually a more normal sized watch. It's probably, yeah, I mean, it's pretty close to the size of some of these Olev's watches, or this Pagani design watch. So it's not too big. It is a very nice quality watch for the price. It does have the rotating bezel. This thing is a Japanese quartz movement, the PC32A movement, and it does have the hardened mineral crystal with the Cyclops eye above the date. It is the date format in gold tone. This watch actually boasts 200 meters of water resistance, so it's great for swimming, and you don't have to worry about it getting wet. It's just a good watch. With the Japanese quartz movement, the hardened mineral crystal, also it has a very nice tight bracelet on it, solid feel to it. It's a really tight feel to the bracelet here. It does have the tri-folding clasp with the safety on it, which is a really nice clasp with the Invicta logo stamped on it. I'm gonna have to say, this is, on first impressions of this watch, it's very nice, very solidly built. Everything on it is very smooth. There's no stuttering, no jumping as far as anything with the hand movement on this thing as you're setting it. It doesn't jump back when you press the crown in. It's just a beautiful watch. It does have great loom capability. Let's see if we can get that going here so you can see it. So there you go. You can kind of see the loom there. All in all, I'm going to have to say it's a really nice watch. Best part about this watch is actually the price. I can't even believe what they're charging for this watch. It's it's a very good price for what you get here on this watch. This watch right now is available on Amazon for right around 50 bucks. Believe it or not, you can pick this watch up for right around $50 on Amazon right now, and I will be posting a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and check it out. Now, that link is an affiliate link, so you don't pay anything extra for the watch. The price is what the price is. The only difference is if you do decide to use that link, it does send a small commission over to me for referring you to this product. So that is very much appreciated. So if you are interested, just click on that link below. It will be in the description. It is an Amazon affiliate link, and you can head on over and pick this watch up and wear it for yourself. But it is a very nice watch. It does emulate a much higher end luxury brand watch. It is a very popular style of watch. Nice engraved screw down case back. It's just a really nicely built watch by Invicta, and it's like I said, it's not gigantic like some of the other Invicta watches. Not that I have anything against the other Invicta watches, but this is just something a little bit different, and that's kind of why I picked it up, because I just wanted to do a review on an Invicta watch that wasn't gigantic, it wasn't monstrous. And I was definitely pleased when I opened this up. It's a very, very nice looking watch. It's not sized, but let me try and throw it on the wrist and see what we got here as far as fit is concerned. Okay, yeah, I mean, I think that looks really, really nice on the wrist. Um, and you don't have to have a gigantic wrist in order to wear this Invicta. So, I mean, that's one positive to this watch. Like I said, it's just not like the other ones. It is actually a normal sized Invicta watch. But I would definitely highly recommend this watch. It is a really, really nice watch. And like I said, I will be posting that affiliate link in the description below. And like I said, that affiliate link doesn't charge you anything more. It just sends a commission over to me if you decide to purchase it, and that's very much appreciated. So anyway, with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so that you guys can head on over and pick them up and wear them for yourself. So if you are a current subscriber and you want to support the channel in real time, you can just click on that join button below, and that will take you over to our membership options available. And if you'd like to send a super thanks, you can just click on that super thanks over there on that corner, and that would be very much appreciated as well. So hopefully everybody is having a great Labor Day weekend. Once again, I am Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. And like I always say, if you do have any questions about this watch or any of the other watches that I do have displayed here, just be sure to put that in the comment section below, and I will respond to comments and answer any questions that you guys might have. So until the next watch review video, I hope you guys all have a great day, and I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Thank you guys so much.